Okay, so if we have a right triangle with unknown information, so it's a right triangle, we have two angles, we could call them A and B, and then we have three sides. So little a, little b, and little c. Okay? Now, if you know one side and one other piece of information, that's enough to figure out everything else. Okay, so let's say that little b was 10 and the angle big B was 25. How would we find the side little a? So tangent of 25 equals 10 over little a. So now I can switch the tangent and the little a. So a equals 10 over the tangent of 25. Okay? Yeah, and don't worry about the a's and b's. That's really not important. Yeah. Over the adjacent. Yes. Well, adjacent is the one that, right, is next to the 25. Yeah. Right. So what if I had a different triangle? Oh, how would I find the third side? Pythagorean theorem, or you could do sine or cosine. How would I find the other angle? Just 90 minus 25 is 65. Okay? So if you know at least one side and one other piece of information, you can solve the whole thing. But what if that second piece of information happens to be one of the side lengths? So if you knew this was 5 and this was 6, how would I find the other side? Pythagorean theorem. So 36 minus 25, wait a minute, 36 minus 25 is 11. So this is the square root of 11. 6 squared minus 25, minus 5 squared. What about the angles? Can I find the angles? Well, if I called this A, I know that the cosine of A is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse, 5 over 6. If I know the ratio, can I figure out the angle? How would I do that? I think you were right. The inverse, cosine to the negative 1. So cosine will take angles and give you ratios. Inverse cosine will take ratios and give you angles. So all I need to do is cosine negative 1 of the ratio, and that will tell me the angle. So second cosine of 5/6 is going to be 33.55 degrees. How do I find the other one? Just do 90 minus the answer. The other one is 56. So on this worksheet, the first set of problems, you're going to be finding a specific angle. The second set of problems, you're going to be finding a specific side. On the last set of problems, you're going to fill in everything that's missing. Okay, if it's not there, you have to find it. So the first and second set only have one answer. The last set, you're filling in everything that's missing. Now I will put the answers up on the board. So you do need to show your work, write the equations down, however you solve them. You can use your calculators, but you need to write the equations down, or my mean nasty TAs give you zeros. Okay, good luck.